Okay, this stock is actually did almost 2000% just last November until now. So we have to see, are we actually have opportunity to make some gain here or not? The right prices for entry, the right prices to get out, everything precisely by the dollar, guys. As I promise you, Trading Jesus always tell you at the dollar and where we actually see the right price value for this stock. Before we go in the video and see all those questions be answered, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit notifications so you never miss any my future update. And always tell you guys, no BS, no editing here at my channel. Always raw information straight to the chart, and no FOMO, and hunt with me, the Trading Jesus, for the right price value. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So today I have for you Jaguar Health Incorporation. The ticker symbol is JAGX. And guess what, guys? From last November here, we actually did almost 2000%, and the price went crazy, almost $5 and over 2000% actually. And now the price went down because all the market went down at that time. For this stock is actually at the middle of January, and we still dropping, but we hold above the $1. Almost we actually saw the $2, then we see the rejection. Now we actually close on $1.99. So where we gonna see the prices will go? So the most important thing, guys, we have to look for Jaguar stock. This is really important, guys. We actually in a turning point right now. The price that we actually have to look for, like for our stop limit and the turning point for actually Jaguar, that we actually, if we go to this price, man, this is actually a warning sign. I will get out because I could actually buy in lower prices. And this price is, let me highlight it, at $1.31, guys. Really important level here. Boom, this level really important, guys. We have to watch out for. If we actually went down again at this level, there's a big chance that we actually go to see the $1 above $1.05. If we actually have a more selling pressure, we might go even to the high price value for Jaguar at around 55 cents, and I will buy more over there, because this is more like 90% chance you get, you can double your money easily, because this is the price value for Jaguar. But at the moment we're still holding above the $1.30, and almost we actually go to $2. But guys, as I told you, for now we're still holding above $1.30 is good. We got a bit rejection at $2. Now what we're gonna see, the other upside, I will just tell you the floor for Jaguar, the price that we actually should get out, because there's a potential to go lower, but now the price is still holding. Now look with me, guys, there's a big rejection area, resistant area about the $2.30. So by Monday, by the next week, now we are on the turning point here. Look with me, guys, we got a bit a bounce here, but this is a not good bounce, guys, because when we got bounce from our AMA, we don't need to see lower volume candle. We need to see a big green candle above this. This is a proof that we actually get a bounce and a big indication that we actually have right momentum to get a bounce, really good bounce from here. And we see actually break for our level at $2.30. But this is really how you can tell, is more like a weak indication that we actually got here, because we got bounce but with a red candle, and we don't want to see this. Now we're gonna see at Monday. This is really important, guys, it's really important. Now is the moment of truth. By the Monday we're gonna see a test for this level, guys, here. Boom, at this level exactly. around $2.30, exactly by the cent. So by Monday we're gonna see a candle go up. If the candle go up and we get a wick even like this, then we close red candle. This is a really bad indication. There's big chance that we actually go lower, and if we actually go lower than $1.63, big chance that we actually gonna see the $1.31 or $1.33. So be careful from this level. If we get rejected and we go even below the $1.63, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the $1.33, guys. But if we actually gone beyond the $1.30 and we got a closing candle here, perfect. This is a big indication that we actually changing the trend, and by then we can actually go above the $2.50, and from there we actually gonna see the price test to $3 before we got a bit rejection at $3.30. Because we need to see a bit of rejection around this area. This is really big rejection area, guys, here between the $2.30 and the almost the $2.70 here, almost the $3, but $2.80. This is a big rejection area between the $2.80 and $2.30. Yeah, this is a big rejection area. Let me highlight it. Boom, boom. The most important thing we're gonna see, the big indication, we're gonna see a candle close, and this in the rejection area between the $2.30 and $2.50. And if we have a really strong volume, like this is really important, guys. If we see here a candle like this one, boom, worth of 1 million of volume, and we actually close above, and the candle close above with the volume supported, big chance that we actually break this level and we go even to see the $3. This is really important, guys, really important. Now we actually in the rejection area, and look with me, we have been downtrending. Boom, we doing higher lows. Boom. You see, guys, now we need to change this downtrending, and we go here almost the $3. If we actually see the $3, this is a really good indication that we actually change the trend, and we might see the all-time high at $4.28. So now by then I have to be careful, guys, because if you want to buy, you can actually, let me see here, let me actually take the drawing so we can actually see a bit. And yes, here the price is actually now at $1.99. We can actually wait to see where the price will go because now we actually, there's a big rejection gonna happen around the $2.30. If you buy now, there's a big chance that you actually see a rejection here, so you actually have just 14% of a gain before we actually get rejected and get 15% of loss. So this is, I don't like to take, like when my probability go against me and there is no a lot of win rate to risk ratio, I will wait to actually have better entry, because here is still not that good entry until we actually have indication that we actually change the trend. And as I told you, I will enter or I will enter when the price actually go to $1.33. I will do double bottom, or at this level when the price go at $1.75, and I will do my stop loss actually around here, around the $1.61. so you just have 5% loss, but the gain is higher. Or you just wait to get in at $1.40. Look with me, guys, $1.40, but don't feel FOMO, you know, because you never get, maybe you never actually get filled, but you have less risk. So the price, if it went actually to $1.26, I will go out, but the gain will be really higher. If we actually go to almost $2.50, it will be 60% gain. So it always depends on you. Try to not actually have be FOMO, and you try to actually maximize your gain. But by you maximize your gain, you maximize your loss ratio as well. So the best strategy is to actually maximize your gain, but you lower your loss. So this is the best ratio. And never actually take any trade if it doesn't actually fit your strategy. For me, I will never actually take it buy here, because there's a probability we get rejected at 230, and we actually a bit far from our basement, from our lower price at $1.30. I told you here is maybe we actually good, because we actually in turning point now. Look with me, guys. Now we actually maybe we are in a good turning point, because now we're doing lower low and lower highs now. Perfect. So now this is might be the basement. So you can actually buy here and stop loss here. So you have many strategy you can get in. You can actually go at $2 and stop loss at $1.61, and you just ride it until $2.65, and you take the first profit at around $2.60. Or first profit at $2.30, because the price maybe get rejected here, and you don't take everything from here. You just chunk it, like 30% profit here. When you go to almost the $3, you take 30% and let the rest go. So this is actually help you you never feel FOMO, and you ride the trade, and you maximize your gain. At the same time, you never felt like I missed the trade, and you felt like you lost some profit to gain. So yeah, this is what my prediction for Jaguar. And as I told you guys, be patient and never actually jump in and calculate your risk always, and be patient and hunt for the right price value with me always, guys. So hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video, as I told you guys, with the right price value. And always, guys, always be patient, and let's hunt for the right price value. See you guys for the next trading session by Monday. See you guys.